Things first, we're going to go ahead and blend 12 graham crackers. Blah. Second, we're about to go ahead and soften our cream cheese. Don't let the ball go away. Oh, it's going away. Now the recipe says that you have to put 1 cup condensed milk. Like, put the whole thing in there. Woo. Excuse the noise. We're going to go ahead and blend that together. On. The bowl is getting away. Once all of that is mixed, you're going to add 1/4 cup get this sheet of sour cream. So get in there. Okay, once your sour cream is in there, you're going to add your teaspoon of vanilla, which I'm already spilling it because I'm shaking. Blah. And then right here, we're going to zest and juice this whole lemon. So the whole zest in the juice. Watch out for the seeds. Okay? Don't be an idiot like me where I accidentally dropped my lemon. Oops. Okay, so one at a time, we're going to add, once all of this is mixed, we're going to add 2 eggs. Put it in there, one at a time, and then blend it. Okay, so back to our crust. Since everything is done, we're going to add about, says about a pinch of cinnamon, so, sauce. Yeah, that's good enough for me. Then, 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Pour that all over. Get it in there. Yep. And then, of course, just same thing. Blend. So, go ahead and get about a tablespoon graham crackers and just put it in there. And then eventually, of course, you'll come to actually pressing it. Should have had your oven preheated to 350 for 15 to 18 minutes. Goodbye.